Second.
Okay, and are you able to do that? Oh, wait a minute. Meseret, you would have to go to Schoology. Go to Schoology and go to the Excel folder.
Okay.
And in
Okay, an Excel folder.
and open the assignment for 12/23/2020
Okay.
and open managing worksheets exercise.
You said 12/20. You said 12/23 activity for 12/23, right?
Right.
Okay.
No. You already opened assignment for 12/23/2020. Then you open managing worksheets exercise.
Okay. Manage it already.
It's fine. And download it.
Okay. It says, oops, not okay. All the way in the bottom. Got it. Okay, got it.
And go ahead and save it to Excel in OneDrive.
What happened to the OneDrive? Okay. All right, I saved it. Thank you.
Now, the yearly budget data, you're going to select it.
Okay.
Click in row 1.
Okay.
And drag down all the way to row 9.
Okay.
Right click on the selection and click copy.
Okay.
Then open a new worksheet.
Where it says plus, right?
Yes.
Okay. Got it.
And then right click and choose the first paste option.
Oh, paste. Oopsie.
Oh, I should have asked everyone else to do that. Okay, everyone else, go ahead to your instruction worksheet and select the data, the yearly budget data, copy it, and paste it in the new worksheet that you just opened. Go ahead and paste it. You're just doing a default paste. And Meseret?
Yes.
Okay. Oh no, you only have 2 worksheets. But everyone else should have moved that new worksheet to the end. And now rename it. You're gonna rename it charts. Charts. Make sure you finalize it after you rename it.
you give me 1 minute, Miss Yolanda? I accidentally can delete mine.
You deleted what?
Accidentally, I didn't save it now. I delete. I cancel it.
Canceled what?
The one we were working yesterday. God. Come on.
Go to your downloads folder, see if it's there.
Okay, 1 minute. Download folder.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me check it. Download folder. Okay. I got it. Thank you.
Okay.
So what do we have to do?
What's that?
So what do we have to do? We have to select it.
Go to the introduction worksheet. Select the yearly budget data.
Okay.
And then create a new worksheet and paste it in that new worksheet. And you're going to name the new worksheet charts.
Miss Yolanda,
Yes.
where do I name the new worksheet chart? On under worksheet where it says worksheet 2?
Yeah. Double click where it says sheet 2.
Okay.
And now type charts.
Thank you.
Mhm. And then click enter when you finish typing charts.
Got it. Thank you.
Mhm. You got it, work nurse?
1 minute, please.
Okay.
Okay, then charts. Okay.
Let me know when you're ready, work nurse.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, I got it.
Okay. Give me 1 minute. So now let's add a color to this chart. Meseret, right click on the charts. Right there where it says charts, right click on it.
Okay.
Look for tab color
Uh-huh. Got it.
and apply the apply any color.
Any color I want?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, got it.
So click away to deselect. So sometimes you might need to insert a chart to display your data graphically. Some people work best with graphics rather than numbers. So it's always good to offer two options. Numbers for those who love to crunch and look at numbers, and graphics for those who understand the numbers better with the graphics. So when you're choosing a chart, you have to determine what you want to display in the chart. Some data are good for certain charts, but not good for other charts. So you have to think about how your data will look best in a chart. So what you have to do, you have to make sure you select only the data that you want to display in the chart. Like for instance, you need the headings, right? January, February, March, April, May, June, you need that to show on your chart. And you also need the monthly payments, rent, car payment, groceries, electric, gas, telephone. You don't need the title of the worksheet. The title of the worksheet is yearly budget. You don't need that. And you don't need the total row either. So let's select A2 through G8. And then we go to the Insert tab on the ribbon.
I'm sorry, we don't need the data and we don't need when we do the chart?
We don't need the title and we don't need the total.
Okay, no total and no title.
Yes.
Thank you, sorry. Okay.
And then click the Insert tab, go to the Charts group. The best way to choose a chart is to start with recommended charts. So go ahead and click recommended charts. There are two tabs. You have recommended charts and all charts. So on the left, you have a list of recommended charts, and on the right, it shows you what it looks like. So let's look at all of them. The first one is a clustered column. Clustered means groups that are separated. Then you have line chart. Then you have the clustered column. Then you have the stacked column. Then you have the stacked area. Scroll down. Then you have the stacked column. Then the next one is scatter. The next one is another scatter. The next one is clustered bar. All right, that's the last one. So from all the ones that I see, I prefer the first one. So click the first one. The first one is clustered column. I like that one the best. But then of course, you can always, if you don't like any that display in recommended charts, you could go to the all charts tab. You click on that and you have a whole bunch of different types of charts that you can choose from there. You don't see a pie chart in recommended charts because this data, actually it could, no, this data doesn't go very well with the pie chart.
Because the name they has letters, so
No, because of the amount of data that you have selected to display.
okay.
Okay, so let's go back to recommended charts. Click on that first option in recommended chart and then click OK. And there's your chart. At the top where it says chart title, double click in there and select chart title, select that and type yearly budget. Yearly budget. And now look at the data and look at the chart. But the colors that they add to your data don't really apply to colors in the chart. But what they do by dividing the data in different color sections is to tell you that this is how they have separated the information, right? So the information about the things that you pay monthly, rent, car payment, groceries, electric, gas, telephone, those are listed as the bars in the graph. You can see at the bottom of the graph what they call the legend. The legend tells you what each bar represents. The blue is rent. The orange is car payment. The gray is groceries. The yellow is electric. The other blue, the darker blue is gas. and the green is telephone. And then the top part, the months you can see right below the bars. January, February, March, April, May, June. And then the data, the numbers are on the left. It goes from 0 to 1400. And then it just tells you on a monthly basis what things you pay the most for, what's the second most, what's the third most, what's the least that you pay for each month. So some people work with this type of information better than looking at the data and trying to figure out by looking at the numbers to see, get the information from looking at the numbers. Some people work better by looking at the graph. Any
So,
questions?
yeah, I have a question. Basically, when we have our worksheet ready, we can also attach the chart when our worksheet is finished.
Right.
We can have both, correct?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. That's my question.
Let me show you how the best information to enter into a pie chart.
Yeah,
So-
actually, that was the question. I can enter
No,
information.
that wasn't the question.
Yeah. No. I tried to ask you a question.
Okay, go ahead.
No, I just wanted that's why I said when we have the worksheet ready, is we can do the chart or we can work in the chart, add the information.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Oh, I didn't know.
But that's not the question about how to use a pie chart. It's not the
Okay.
same thing.
Okay.
Okay, so a pie chart you use for less information, right?
Mhm.
So if you want to get information about rent for January, you would select A3 through B. No, did I say rent for January? No, I meant bills for January. You'd select A3 through B8. Now go to your insert tab, look at recommended charts. And now you see they recommend a pie chart because now the information that you have selected can apply to a pie chart. So go ahead and click the pie chart and click OK. And now you have, whoops, I didn't mean to do that. And now you have the information in a pie chart for January. So where it says chart title, double click there and select chart title and type January. And then you can see the legend at the bottom. The light blue is rent, the orange is car payment, the gray is groceries, the yellow is electric, the dark blue is gas, What happened to the dark blue? Oh, there's no gas in January. That's why there's no dark blue.
No electric.
No electric either. There's no yellow in the chart. Yeah. And telephone is gray. And then you could just drag the chart down and put it below the other one, or put it to the right of the other one, put it wherever you want to put it. Whoops. So any questions about charts? So the yearly budget chart, you have a lot of data for that chart. So that's why you choose that chart. The January chart, it's less data and it fits well for the January chart.
Excuse me, Ms. Yolanda.
Yes.
If we make mistake for the chart, how can we cancel it to choose another one?
You can undo or you can delete the chart. Click on the chart and press delete.
Okay, thank you.
Mhm. And you can see on the ribbon, there are so many different options that you can apply to the chart. Any
And
other
they-
questions?
Yeah, the chart, for example, the round chart, we
The
reading,
pie chart.
okay, I'm sorry, the pie chart, we reading and the numbers they tell me what it is. Like grade is supposed to be my rent, correct?
Mhm.
I just want to make sure that they're reading right.
Well, you can go to the ribbon. You see where it says chart styles, the chart styles group.
Yes.
If you want that information written on the chart, you can choose one of those options. Like if you choose style 8, oh no, that doesn't give us, that gives us percentages. Let me see, style, let me see. Style 9. Style 9 will give you instead of giving you a legend, it just puts the names of the different bills in the chart. Did everyone find style 9 in the chart styles group?
Percent. Dos, tres, cuatro.
Everyone heard that I asked a question. Did everyone find style 9?
No.
I don't see the name.
Oh,
I don't have mine with names.
You have to go to the ribbon, the chart tools design tab, go to chart styles.
Yeah.
And look for style 9.
Yeah, I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, they give me numbers.
Style 9. If you put your mouse pointer on each of them, they'll tell you what style number it is.
Yeah, it's okay. Looking at.
Look for style 9. That one
No,
will.
sure.
Did you find it?
I'm sorry, I don't mean to disagree. They say January, but the night they give me the dollars and percents. For me, maybe it's my computer. That's why I say I don't know. Everybody find it right.
Okay, let me see yours. Share yours. Let me see.
Share the. Okay. 1 second, please. Share the screen.
Okay. So go to the chart styles, look for style 9. That's style 7,
Uh-huh.
that's style 8, that's style 9. Click style
Uh-huh.
9.
You see, they give me dollars and percent.
Oh.
I
Okay,
don't know
try
why.
another one. Try another one.
I tried all, and I don't know why mine doesn't have it.
Click the more arrow at the bottom.
Of course.
That's strange. It doesn't
Right?
show.
It doesn't give me an option. For me, it
Uh,
doesn't give me.
yeah,
But maybe
yeah.
that one. It's okay.
Yeah, that's
I just want to make sure you know it. I didn't do nothing wrong. It just doesn't
Right.
give me the option.
right. Okay.
Stop sharing?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Yolanda.
Sure.
Have a good day,
Yolanda,
Miss
I don't
Yolanda,
have a
everybody.
design.
You too, Azeb. Yes, Abraham?
I don't have a design part. Tab.
Uh-huh.
What
Yeah.
can I get?
Insert
You are,
tab.
you are looking for the chart styles group. That gallery in the middle, chart styles. And you want to look for a chart style that gives you the names and the percentage.
Before I click the pivot chart.
Go ahead and share so that we can see exactly.
Okay. You see?
You didn't create a pie chart. Oh, it's hidden. Drag it down.
Yeah.
It's to your right. Scroll, do the horizontal scroll at the bottom. No, horizontal scroll. Okay,
Yeah,
there it is. Click it. Why don't you show your ribbon? You're not showing your ribbon. Show your ribbon.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Pin the ribbon.
yeah.
Okay. So click on January chart. Now click in the ribbon, click the design on the
I
chart.
got. Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Okay, there in the chart
Thank you.
styles group.
Yeah.
Try to find style number 9. Put your mouse pointer. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Click the arrow to the right.
Down or no?
9. Click on 9. Okay, so yours shows the names,
yeah.
but it doesn't give you the percentage.
Yeah.
Mine shows the names and the percentage.
Okay.
Mine just showed the percentage
Mhm.
and the dollars.
Mhm.
Weird, right?
Yeah. Mhm. Okay. Any other questions, Abraham?
No. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
Let's stop.
Any other questions, anyone else?
I like the charts.
Yeah. Mhm.
I think as I give you it's easy to read. You're right. Some people are more vision with
Mhm.
pictures and numbers. So
Mhm.
that's confusing.
Right.
Well, we'll keep in mind both.
Mhm.
Thank you, Miss Yolanda.
Sure. So any other questions? So let's move on. Let's see. There is something else. Let me see. About printing. When you want to print, so you can go to your quick access toolbar. You should have print, preview, and print there. So go ahead and click print, preview, and print. And so you can see that there are 3 pages in the preview part. So you can click to see how they're going to be printed, right? So if I go back to my spreadsheet, I can move the January and place it below the yearly budget chart. And then I'm gonna have a different outcome. So I'm gonna go ahead and click print preview and print again. Oh, guess what?
Thank you, individual.
It's only giving me the option to print the January chart. You know why that is? Because I selected the January chart. So if I want to print everything, I have to go back and unselect the January chart. So I just click in an empty part of the worksheet and then go back to print, preview, and print. So now I have 2 pages now. I have 1 page with the data and another page with part of the charts. So, but I don't want it to print like that, right? So let me go back. Let me move the charts. Whoops, no, that's not. Let me move the charts. So when you want to move the charts, just click anywhere to the right of the title of the chart and then drag. And you can see there's there's a dashed line between column I and column J. That's telling you that's the page break line. So what?
Oh, no, I didn't know. Good. Page break line.
No, somebody was saying something?
No, that's me just talking loud. I didn't know.
Okay.
So this is where the cut exactly the print
No, this is where the pages
finished.
separate.
Okay.
So to the left is page 1, to the right of the dashed line is page 2. So you can move your charts into the area of page 2. Is everyone seeing the dashed lines?
Yes.
Okay, so go back to print, preview, and print. Oh, guess what? I did the same thing again. I clicked on the January chart. So when I click on something, that's all that's going to be chosen to print. So let me go back and I want to click in an empty space on in the worksheet. and then go back to print, preview, and print. And here again, now we have the first page is just the data. And then when we go to the second page, we have the charts. Is everyone able to do that?
Yes.
Anyone having any difficulties?
Miss Yolanda,
Yes.
I was just watching you. I didn't do it.
Mhm. Okay. Okay, so let's go back to our data. So let's say you want to, wait, let me see. No. Let's say you want to print a certain area. So what you have to do, if you want to select the data only, you select row 1 through row 9. And then you click on the page layout tab. Go to the page setup group. And look for print area. And then click set print area. And then you can go to the quick access toolbar, click print, preview and print. And now you can see you only have one page to print.
Oh, okay, good.
Mhm. Let's go back to the spreadsheet. Let's go back to the page layout tab, page setup group, click print area, and then you have to clear print area when you're finished. Because otherwise that's all it's going to show for you to print. So you have to clear print area.
Oh, okay.
So let's say we only want to print the information for January. So we can select A2 through B9. And then I think we don't even have to set print area. We can just click print preview and print. Oh no, yeah, you have to set print area, sorry. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go to page layout tab. Let's go to page setup group. Let's click print area and then click set print area. And you can see in the name box, it says print area. Everyone sees that in the name box?
Yes.
Okay, now go to quick access toolbar, click print preview and print, and there. That's the only part that's going to be printed. So you have to set the print area that you want to print for Excel to print only that part. Go back to your spreadsheet. If it's a chart that you want to print, you just click on the chart. And when you click on the chart, let's click yearly budget. Let's go to the quick access toolbar and click print preview and print. And you can see only the yearly budget chart will print.
And always in the print area, we need to clear the print area when we're using.
Right, exactly.
Okay, perfect. Yeah.
And let's stay here and look at the settings in the print section. To the left of the preview, it says print selected chart. Only print the selected chart. That's the only option that's available. And then you can choose print one-sided, print on both sides, print on both sides. You can do collated, you can do landscape, you can do either portrait or landscape. You can choose what size paper you want. You can choose the margins as well. Any questions? Okay, let's go
Thank you.
back to our spreadsheet. Let's go to page layout tab, page setup group. Click to unselect the yearly budget chart, and then go back to page setup group. Click print area, and now you see there's a third add to print area. So let's just click clear print area. Any other questions?
When they say print titles, they will only print the titles in this case?
1 second. Print titles, no. Print titles
Uh-huh.
gives you the page setup dialog box with the sheet tab active. Here you can choose the print area, just like we just did, the print area.
Oh.
You can do it from here
Mm-hmm.
by clicking on that, that little graphic to the right of the box. You
Mm-hmm.
click on that, and then you
Tanisha?
select what you want to print. And you click on the graphic again to show the whole thing. Print titles.
Can you share it, please?
Oh, sorry. Okay. Print titles is when you want to, let's say, oh wait, let's cancel this. Cancel that and choose freeze panes. Meseret, you don't have freeze panes. So when you choose freeze panes, you have many different pages in this worksheet, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's similar to freeze panes, but freeze panes is only to view the worksheet on the computer, right? Freeze panes is only to view the worksheet on the computer. But when you go to print titles, this is going to print the headers the months on the top or the different types of monthly payments, rent, car payment, groceries, electric, will show these on each page that you print. So let's go ahead and click print titles on the page layout tab, page setup group. Click print titles. So it should open with the sheet tab active. So at the top, you'll see print area. We're not doing print area. Below that, you have print titles. That's what we're doing. So print titles, you can show rows to repeat at top and columns to repeat at left. So let's start with the rows to repeat at top. Click the little icon to the right of the box of rows to repeat at top. And we're going to go to the row headers, the 1, the 2, the 3, right? So put your cursor right on that. So make sure it's on the cursor. It should be the row select cursor or select row cursor. So put it directly on the number 1 and then click, hold, and drag to row number 2. And you can see, now click that icon again in the dialog box. And you can see it has $1 through $2. So it's telling us that it's only going to print no. Well, it's telling us that it's going to print row 1 and row 2 on every page. And then now let's go to columns to repeat at left. So click that icon to the right of the box. And we're only going to repeat column A because that's the only one that has rent, car payment, groceries, electric. So click on column A. So click on the letter A, the header of the column. Oh, why is it saying A through G? Oh, let's backspace to delete that. We don't want A through G. Oh, you know why? Because we have to remove the merge. The merge is interfering here. You see yearly budget?
Yeah.
So we have to cancel this. Close the dialog box. Close the dialog box because we can't do it with the dialog box open. So we have to unmerge yearly budget. So yearly budget is from A1 to G1. That is why when we click on A, it selects A through G. So let's just click on yearly budget and it will select that cell. Then go to your home tab, go to the alignment group and look for merge and center. click the drop down arrow for merge and center. Is everyone with me?
Yes.
Anyone not with me? Okay, so go to the bottom where it says unmerge cells. So click, we have to unmerge this so that we can set print titles. Okay, now let's go back to page layout tab. Go to page setup group. Click print titles. Now let's choose rows to repeat at top. So click that icon to the right of the box. And we're going to select put your mouse pointer on the one of the row header. Click and drag down to row 2. And in the dialog box, click the icon at the end of the box and you can see $1 through $2. Now we're going to do the columns to repeat at left. Let's click the icon to the right of columns to repeat at left. And now we can select column A. So click on the A of column A. You see now we can do it. Now click on the icon to the right of the box of the dialog box. And now we are telling Excel that every time you print a page of this particular worksheet, that you're going to print the headings at the top and the headings to the left. So now let's click, wait, before you click anything, you can see below that other options that you can choose to print. You can choose grid lines, you can choose black and white, you can choose draft quality, you can choose row and column headings. Okay, so let's click OK. Now let's go to the quick access toolbar and choose print, preview, and print. And now in the preview area, we have 6 pages. So you can see page 1, you have rent, car payment, groceries, electric, gas, telephone. And then at the top, you have January, February, March, and April. Now go to page 2. You still have rent, car payment, grocery, electric, gas. And you have May, June, July, and August. Go to page 3. You still have rent, car payments, groceries, electric, and at the top you have September, October, November, and December. And then it continues page 4 and page 5. You always see the heading at the top and the headings to the left. So let me show you what you see if you don't do that. Let's go back to the spreadsheet. Let's click print titles. Now let's delete the $1 through $2 in the rows to repeat at top. Let's delete that. Just click in there and backspace. and then columns to repeat at left. Click in there and backspace to delete that, and then click OK. Now let's go to the quick access toolbar, click print, preview, and print. Now we have only 5 pages. Now let's see what we see on the 5 pages. Page 2, you can see the month headings, but you don't see the column to the left. Go to page 3, you can see the month headings, but you don't see the pages to the left. Page 4, page 5. So you can see the month headings, but that is because you are seeing all 30 rows. If you had more than 30 rows, then you would have pages that don't have the months at the top. So everyone understands why print titles is important?
Yes.
Any
Yes.
questions about it?
No.
Okay, let's add another. Oh, let's merge and center A1 again, right? Because yearly budget is now just an A1. So are we going to merge and center all the way to column W? Yeah, let's do it. Let's see if we can do it. So we're going to click in A1. In the center of A1, because we're going to be selecting. And then we're going to click, hold, and drag all the way to column W. Okay? And make sure it's just row 1. So you want A1 through W1. And then go to the Home tab, Alignment Group, look for Merge and Center, and just click on Merge and Center. Merge and Center. Now you can see it has merged all of A1 through W1 and centered that text in the middle. Okay?
Yeah.
Any questions about that?
Mm-mm.
Okay, so let's click a new sheet. And we're gonna name it Practice. Firstly, we just opened a new worksheet. So who can tell me the difference between a worksheet and a workbook?
The worksheet is only one, and the workbook that has many worksheets.
The workbook is the whole thing. My aunt used to say the whole shebang. Whatever shebang meant, I don't know.
The whole chimichanga.
Yeah. Okay, so in your new worksheet, you're going to type in A1, you're going to type practice. And press Control Enter. We're going to apply some formatting. What are some formatting that we can apply to text in Excel?
We can bold.
What? Repeat that, please.
Formatting, like we can change the size.
Okay, what size do you
The
want?
font size.
What size?
Font size.
What size?
Font size.
Yeah, tell me what size.
Oh, okay. We can do it 14 or something.
14, okay. So we apply font size. That's one form of formatting. What's another form of formatting?
What size? What
On letters?
like we can bold.
The font, you want to change the font to what?
To, let me see. We can change it to
Area.
our area, Allegran, whatever we want. It's a lot
Just
of-
Arial? Just Arial or Arial black or Arial
A
narrow?
lot of.
Huh?
A lot of.
Which one?
I think we have a lot of options.
Yeah, choose one.
Arial black.
Okay, Arial black. What's another formatting we can do?
We can bold.
It's already bold. It's Arial black. Okay, let's bold. Let's see if it makes it any. No, it doesn't change it
No.
when we bold because it's already bold. Arial black is already bold.
And change
What else?
color.
Underline.
Underline. What else?
Italic
Italian.
Italic. What else?
color. We can change color. Yeah.
Change
What
the
about the
font.
font color?
And what? Oh, well, you can choose any color you want. I'm gonna choose the dark red. Okay, okay, so, and I'm gonna, oh no, I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay,
Are you sharing your screen now, Miss Yolanda, right?
no,
Okay.
you're just going to go by ear.
Okay.
Miss Yolanda,
Yes,
you said right practice under A1 or where the sheet one chart next to the sheet chart.
what?
You said right practice.
What? I said to create a new worksheet first.
Okay, that's what I did. And then the new
In
credit.
A1, type the word practice.
Okay.
And then apply all the different formatting that we just did. Now below practice in cell A1, let's say you're in high school and you're going to write your grades for your 4 years of high school. No, your first 2 years of high school. Let's say you have No, let's say you're 1 year of high school. Let's say you have 4, what you call that? 4, I forget what they call them, but they have 4 separate semesters, let's say, right? So in A2, let's call them periods. Let's enter period 1. Period and then space, then 1. Then press Control Enter. And we're going to use autofill to go all the way to period 4.
Can we repeat, Miss Yolanda? Sorry. Miss you say now column number 2, we write period
In
or
A2,
okay, A2. We
in
do
cell A2,
uh-huh.
you're gonna type period space 1.
Yeah.
Now you're going to autofill until period 4.
Okay.
So autofill until period 4. Now let's make it bold. Apply bold and let's center. But guess what? We need an extra column to the left of period 1 to write all the different subjects. So how could we insert a column to the left of column A?
We need to go to Home tab and in the cells cells command. You see insert.
No, not cells command. Come on, we are at the end of Excel.
I know cells. I have in my town, but cell. I mean, we have hotel, Home tab,
Group.
cell groups, and then we see inserts. We click the little iron, and there is where we can insert the column, insert sheet columns or the row.
Okay, so we can click insert sheet columns, and there it inserts column to the left of column A. Let's undo that. Who can give me another way to do it?
Ms. Yolanda, I'm sorry.
Yes,
Right click on column A.
So what's your question? So
Ellen, what?
I kind of lost it. So what's your question? So after we insert the column.
No, undo. We're gonna do it in a different way now.
Okay.
Haley, you were saying?
Click on the column A, right click and choose insert.
Okay, we right click on column A and we have insert. So just click insert and there it does the same thing. Okay, so go ahead.
I think what we can also use the tab, so the cell group insert.
The what?
The sales group and the insert comment.
Yeah, that's the first one. We did that first.
That I don't understand, Miss Yolanda.
Huh?
I don't understand. We go to insert on the top and what do we do?
Okay, let's undo. Let's undo.
Okay.
We are trying to insert a column to the left of column A.
Yeah.
So Hudita said that one way to do it is click on column A,
Okay.
then go to the Home tab, Cells group.
Mm-hmm.
There's an insert command. Click Insert and click Insert Sheet Columns. So click Insert Sheet Columns. That's one way to do it. Then I said to undo that.
Yeah.
And then Haley gave us a different way to do it. To right click on column A
Yeah, I got it. Thank you.
and then click Insert.
Yeah. I was confused with the first one, but I got it. Thank you.
Oh, okay. So now in A3, we can insert math. Now let's say calculus. We're taking calculus this semester. Calculus. Did I spell that right? I don't think I spelled it right, but spelling is not important right now. Calculus.
Is it gonna
Uh-huh.
you share screen?
No, I just want you to go by.
Okay.
Mhm. If you miss something, or just let me know. In cell A4, we're going to do geography. Then press
Is
enter.
on cell one?
Calculus
is on cell one?
A3.
Oh, A3. Sorry.
A3 is calculate, right?
Calculus.
And the
And
other one?
A4 is geography. A5 is biology. Press enter after biology. Then A6 is PE. Everyone knows what PE stands for?
Yeah, physical education.
Yes. Then press enter. Then A7 is, what else do you do? Art.
Excuse me. A6.
A6 is PE, capital P as in Paul, capital E as in elephant.
Okay.
No, not art. A7, not, yeah, make it art, yeah. I was gonna say calligraphy, but that's a long word. And calculus, geography, biology, PE. And one other one. What other things you learned in high school?
History.
History. Well, we're already doing geography.
Maths.
We're already doing calculus. We're doing art.
Chemistry. Chemistry.
We're doing biology this.
Chemistry or physics.
Okay, let's do physics. Okay, so let's put in some grades. Let's widen our cells, our column, so you can see all the words inside their respective cells. And go ahead and put in some grades. Any grades will do. for calculus.
What do you mean? I don't get it. What grade will you give it? Where?
In cells B1, B3, for give grades for calculus, give grades for biology, give grades for PE, give grades for art, give grades for physics, for all the periods, period 1, period 2, period 3, period 4. Just enter any grades.
The grades has to be
C.
Grades. If you want to have passing grades, enter passing grades. If it's a subject that you didn't do very good in, give it a failing grade if you want.
Miss Yolanda.
Huh?
Miss Yolanda.
Yes.
We give the grades like next on column. Which column? That's my
On color, right?
Huh? Let me share. So you're gonna put in grades for calculus.
Oh, I got
one,
it.
Oh,
grade
got
for
it.
calculus period 2, grade for calculus period 3, grade for
Oh.
calculus period 4, then
Yeah.
grades for geography.
It's because we hear that you said that we had to do the
Yeah.
period from in
Yeah.
column B
yeah.
from
Went down.
2 to 7 to row 7.
Row 5.
4, 5.
Row
That's we have, Miss Yolanda.
We don't put the periods.
Have periods on column B. We don't have it in row 2. That's why.
Down, down, Winky, down, 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 no, down. So we're going to calculate in A9, you're gonna type average. And if you wanna write out the average formula, you can write out the average formula. But what's the easiest way to insert an average to calculate an average? What's the easiest way?
It's, going to general.
E3 to
I use water sum Oh, no,
Oh, no,
average.
sorry, AutoZone, I'm sorry.
Right. So you click in B9 on the Home tab, Editing Group. You have to click the drop-down arrow for Auto Sum
Average.
and click Average.
Okay.
Sorry, Ms. Yolanda, repeat the formula one more time. Where do you go on the ribbon, please, for average?
Click in B9,
Okay, and then where do you go on the ribbon?
Home tab,
Yes.
Editing Group. Click the drop-down arrow for Auto Sum and choose Average.
Thank you.
And then the formula is entered, and it's the correct cells that we want to average. So we press Control Enter. And then we use autofill to fill in all the way to period 4. Autofill all the way to period 4. We want to change the number formatting for B9 through E9, because right now they have 5 decimal places. So select B9 through E9. Where do we go to change the decimal places?
Number.
We go to the number group on the Home tab. And where do we go? In the number
General.
group.
General.
Just
No, we don't go to general. It's below
Dialog.
general.
the number dialog box.
Alignment.
No, we can do it without the
The
dialog box.
Oh.
Right below general box.
Oh, I got it. Just below the dollars.
Account number, the sign dollar.
No,
Mhm.
keep looking.
Under the general, there is a 0 left or right. I don't know how to say it.
It says put your mouse pointer on it and it gives you the name.
Oh, account number formatted, the little arrow.
No, I
Sorry.
said not the dollar sign.
No, the one next to.
The percentage sign, not the percentage sign.
There has a little arrow in between.
Is that decreased decimal?
Okay.
Yes, thank you. What did I say? There are 5 decimal places. We want to reduce the decimal places to just 2. So what do we do?
Decrease.
We have increased decimal and then we have
Decrease.
decreased decimal. So what do? Do we increase decimal or decrease decimal?
Decrease.
We
Decrease.
decrease decimal, so we only want 2. So decrease until you only are left with 2 decimal places. Any questions?
Ay,
Okay.
It's not necessary underline. No, right. The though no.
Oh, you want to apply formatting? Okay, select B9 through E9. Go to the styles group. Go to cell styles. In the titles and headings section, click total. Click away.
Oh,
And then let's also merge and center practice. So we want to merge and center from A1 through E1. So you have to select A1 all the way through E1, E1, yes. And then go to the Home tab, Alignment Group, and click what?
Merge and center.
Merge and
Merge and center. There we go. Then we might want to make the resize row 1 so that it will show better. Okay, so don't forget, we are meeting here tomorrow because we're taking the test tomorrow, and we are going to do work alone on Thursday. Was it this class that you are saying that you wanted to, or was it the evening class that was saying that you wanted to I think it was the evening class that was saying that they wanted to do all 5 days of classes. It wasn't this class, right?
I think yes, we say maybe we can do it.
Oh, it was
If
this
everybody,
class? It was this
yeah,
class?
because remember we behind.
Yeah,
So,
Judita said that yesterday.
so who wanted to do that? Who wanted to meet every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday until the end of the semester?
I can do it.
I can do.
We can do.
I know Tiki can't be here on Wednesdays.
And Thursday.
You can't be here on Thursdays either?
Yeah, Wednesday and Thursday. Mhm.
Oh, okay. Okay, so but everyone else wants to do it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so we can do that then. Okay, any questions?
Miss Alanda, please, can you repeat? I don't understand. Now we switch schedule and we will have classes on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday in Zoom.
On Friday?
5 days in Zoom?
Yes.
Every day?
Every day, yeah.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah, okay. So any questions? Okay.
It's possible to make a pre-test after the test.
To make
No,
a
right.
what? Make a what?
Pre-test for practice.
What?
For what?
Pre-test.
Pre-test.
Pre-test
for
for
Excel.
what?
Excel, I guess.
No.
No, but we haven't time yet.
No.
No.
Mm-mm.
No, right. Okay.
No, now it's time for the post-test.
Post-test. Okay.
No, there's no practice test right now.
Okay.
Okay. So enjoy your day.
Thank you.
Always good to be with you.
Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, okay.
Bye.
What's that, Maria?
I say thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Gracias. Good luck tomorrow.
Yes.
Ay, 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 ay. Good to stay in the computer. Gracias.
Okay.